brother.
As Fangak youth. And we are not backing up. We are continuing and going ahead with what is supposed to be done regarding what is being imposed upon us as community or as a nation in South Sudan. To be honest and sincere, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to let you know these have started and it is continuing. Unless our right as South Sudanese is implemented, not even asking for it, but demanding for it. Because this is our country. We were born here and we shall die here. To let you all know again is that be prepared and be aware. We are not to be paid for our own benefit or for our own future or for our children's future. No one is supposed to be paid for what belongs to them, for them to have been cowards or idiots. If you are being paid for your own money and you think you are making sense, may God help you. But we cannot be paid with our own money because our country is rich and we are born rich, not only physically, also mentally. Because it's not what you can do or what can be done to you by your country. It's what you can do for your country. And that's what we are here for today. Whoever that think that Parkul and the rest of the group, like in light of someone like Mathormaya, thinks that we can follow the same footstep. No. We youth have decided we have our own future and we know the potential of this nation. Not only our selfish interests, but whoever that thinks of their own selfish interests, that's upon them. And we will deal with them accordingly. With our leaders that are involved, just like I mentioned before, we have got Kotkweth, of which is our leader, and is leading us to the green pastures. And we are doing it. Big deal. Thank you.